here we start with the chapter 10, the comet part 2. Datta is invited to the secret conference. In the previous chapter we have said that both Dr. James and Dr. Macpherson, they decided to have a conference, call all the experts from the world and have a secret meeting or conference. By the time they finished their deliberations and Sir John dropped him at his hotel off Regent Street, it was 1 a.m. There was hardly any crowd on the street, but when James looked up from his window, a star-studded night sky greeted him. Means it was cool, calm everywhere. Somewhere amongst these stars was Comet Datta, heading for a collision with the Earth. This is in the mind of the scientist only, है ना? Or the reader knows. It was hard to believe the calamity of the future on such a peaceful night. For a moment, James wondered if he had done his sums right. Means इतना काम, इतना peaceful environment देख के डॉक्टर जेम्स भी एक बार वो अपने आप को doubtful feel करते हैं कि whether it is going to collide or not. Whatever doubt James may have had about Sir John's efficiency were quickly dispelled when he reported for the conference and found that all the experts listed by him were there. Now astronomers, computer scientists, nuclear physicists, space technologists, biologists, all were there. This is the conference scene. And as Sir John's special invitee was present, the man who had started it all, जिसने ये सारा शुरू किया था, who was that? Dr. Manoj Datta. The conference lasted 1 week and went on under total cover of the secrecy. First, experts checked and rechecked James Forsyth calculation with the latest observation of Comet Datta. पहले उन लोगों ने सारी calculations check की. He was right. There was no escape from the direct hit predicted by him. The collision was must. There was a small chance that the comet may just graze the atmosphere of the Earth. Graze means touching the Earth and not collide. In that case, the loss of the life and property would not be total. Means expected, but they were expecting. But this slight respite was hardly reassuring enough for taking no action. Having decided that some action was needed, what form should it take? The experts dismissed defensive measure. Means whatever was planned for the steps to be taken for defense. They are the defensive measures. Like living in underground bunkers. Means some suggested that they should live in underground bunkers, but that was not possible. It was simply not a practical proposition. The only course was to take offensive action. Comet Datta could be marginally deflected from its path by giving it a push. You have read that chapter, An Alien Hand, last chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Remember na? So that kind of the story, there was also collision plan. Yeah. The experts calculated that the bulk of destruction nuclear power available on the Earth would be needed to achieve the mammoth task. A gigantic nuclear explosion, suitably placed, suitably directed, suitably timed, could do the trick. Now it was planned. This could be done by placing the nuclear payload in a spaceship. Beta, mark this paragraph. This is the solution they planned. Sending it to intercept the approaching comet and detonating it by remote control. Success or failure, secrecy must be preserved. Finally, a timetable was drawn up for the operation, which was code named Project Light Brigade. Means you might be asked what was the Project Light Brigade. The important dates in it were, now 3 dates are decided. October 10, dispatch the spacecraft with the payload unload unless by then the comet is already destroyed by natural causes. पहले 10 October की wait की जाएगी that it is destructed or not and has changed its path due to unforeseen reason. Unforeseen which are not seen to us now. है ना, unexpected. November 15. Rendezvous with the comet and detonation of the payload, setting of the missile. Then December 15, if the experiment failed, this was the day the comet would hit the Earth. If it succeeded, this was the day the comet would pass by at a near but safe distance. The success of the experiment depended on how massive the comet was. Now it depends upon that what kind of the strength or the density of the comet can be. Nobody could estimate. Everybody hoped that it was not very massive, not very huge. So, do you think we will succeed? Datta asked Sir John for his opinion. During the week, the two had developed considerably affinity for each other. Affinity, friendship. As they were meeting together, they were discussing. Naturally, we become friends and well known to each other. Mr. Datta, I will give you an honest answer. I am not buying any Christmas present till December 15. But it gives a meaning. It gives a hint that they were not sure that whether they were doubtful, rather that whether they will be successful or not. And not purchasing the Christmas shows means there was no charm of Christmas now, है ना? हम लोग सेलिब्रेशन के लिए कितनी प्लानिंग करते हैं, दिवाली के लिए या क्रिश्चियनिटी में क्रिसमस के लिए, है ना? तो that kind of charm or excitement was gone. Datta toured the British Isles for 2 weeks after the conference. He had a pleasant time visiting observatories and exchanging views with amateur as well as professional astronomers. On his return, he was greeted by the inevitable vast crowd of friends, social leaders, students, usual hangovers. Means he was now so popular, well known to people. Loaded with garlands and bombarded by questions from the press, he somehow made his way to the waiting car. Now, second part of the chapter 10. Arriving home, he found another crowd gathered under a pandal. Now see, he was of so reserved nature, but there was the crowd of the people and the scientists and all the experts. Here when he come back to his home, again there is a crowd, but it is different. He glanced questioningly at Indrani Devi. Surely she knew how he hated crowds. Mark the line, he hated crowds. Indrani obviously uneasy offered the explanation. अब वो explain कर रही है wife. I have arranged a yajna and called priest to bless you. यजना, यज्ञ हुई नो, हवन, है ना, हम करते हैं ना हिंदू लोग, तो that kind of the yajna was organized. But why? Just because I left the shores of India. Do you know that this scientist does not believe in all these, but Indrani Devi, she was superstitious and religious, है ना? You know, it is no longer taboo, and in any case, you know my views on these meaningless rituals. इंद्राणी देवी looked to शिवाजी बाबू, the younger brother of her husband. अब वो हेल्प के लिए किसकी तरफ देख रही है? उसके younger brother की तरफ. So शिवाजी बाबू coughed and explained, "We have all been very disturbed since you discovered the comet. Guruji recommended a Shanti Yajna to pacify the evil spirit behind the comet. We are all waiting for you to perform the yajna." अब उन लोगों ने गुरुजी की गाइडलाइंस के अंदर इस यजना को ऑर्गेनाइज किया. May I know what specific advantage there is in this ceremony? Datta was outwardly calm. The comet you have discovered will not cause an ill effect on the earth. At this remark, Datta blew up. Don't you know that this is all superstitions? It could be canon in the olden times when man didn't know what comets were. Not so in modern times. Comets are known for what they are. Their movements are forecast precisely by mathematical calculations. As he is a scientist, he believes in the maths and calculations. He asked his wife that you are an educated lady. What are you talking about? It has nothing to do with the comet and collision. This have no effect with yajna and all. It is clearly established by statistical studies that their visits have no correlation with disasters on the earth. All this is of course futile on my part to explain. You and the likes of you never read even elementary books on science. ऐसा लगता है you have never read science. Shivaji Babu gently interjected, but our wise forefathers recommended such yajna. So it is in the culture of India, you know that we believe in nakshatra and all these things, है ना, astrology and all. So astronomy is a different field and astrology is a different field. That is the study of stars, है ना. तो उसमें हम लोग बिलीव करते हैं इन यू माइट हैव सीन द पीपल वेयरिंग स्टोन्स, डिफरेंट कलर ऑफ स्टोन्स एंड ऑल, की आपके उस पे लाइफ पे इफेक्ट करते हैं, है ना. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ कल्चर इंडिया हैज. शिवाजी बाबू जेंटली इंटरजेक्टेड, बट आवर वाइज फोरफादर्स रिकमेंडेड सच यजना. हमारे बुजुर्गों ने हमें सिखाया है. Since his return from London, Datta was in regular correspondence with Sir John Macpherson. Their friendship had grown out of their appreciation of each other's virtues, qualities. Sir John admired Datta's scientific outlook, while the latter means the second person, admired the former's discipline and efficiency. They started liking each other due to their qualities. Their correspondence means exchange of letters. Their written conversation, their correspondence never mentioned the project Light Brigade, but they were talking to each other through letters and all, messages and all, but they never talked about Light Brigade, this project. Although once in a while Sir John would hint at its progress in a subtle manner that Datta would understand. Meanwhile, Comet Datta was following its predicted path. In due course, it developed its state. It circled round the sun without breaking apart, nor did it evaporate. ना तो evaporate हुआ, ना ये merge हुआ. The scientists on Project Light Brigade therefore knew that the threat of collision was now very much real. Means it was now sure to collide with the Earth. In the middle of October, Datta got a letter from Sir John in the midst of description of the meeting of the Royal Astronomical Society. The unreasonably warm weather, the opening matches of the football season, means सारी गप्पे वहाँ पे वो मार रहे हैं आपस में. They are not directly sending the message, but a recent by-election, Datta spotted the sentence he was eagerly looking for. The charge of the Light Brigade has begun. They have placed that project has started. Let us hope for the best. So the spacecraft has been launched on time. Means project was on. But will it achieve the rendezvous in time and at the right place? Will the remote control detonation? अब बेटा इसमें भी कोई इतनी श्योरिटी नहीं थी कि ये सक्सेसफुल होने वाला है, because it is setting in the space. फिर इसको how to it is to be activated. It was always doubtful. So what if the gigantic nuclear pile fails to fire? Datta could not share his anxieties with anyone around, and that person cannot share his anxiety. He had to participate in and outwardly enjoy the puja ceremony, Diwali celebration, other festival. His sole daytime relaxation was in the company of Khokha, his 8-year-old grandson. वो बिल्कुल natural behave कर रहा है सबके साथ, but always tense. And of course at night looking through Dibya. He was regularly monitoring the comet, now clearly visible even the naked eye. On November 18, a special messenger on a scooter from the British Council brought an urgent telex message, and finally he gets a message for him. The telex operator in Calcutta had wondered what was so special about it to make so urgent. But on reading it, Datta lost all his lethargy and rushed to his favorite Rasgulla shop. And now he goes to purchase the sweets. The message read, I am confident now of buying my Christmas present on December 15. If you remember the words of Dr. Macpherson, he has said that he is not going to purchase the Christmas gift till 15 December. Now he gives the hint that I am going to purchase the gift. It means the project was successful. On December 15th, Comet Datta came closer to the Earth at a distance of 80,000 kilometers. Millions saw it, admired it, and only a handful knew. Handful means very few people. They knew how close they had come to total annihilation. When the comet had gone far away, was seen no more, Datta felt it safe to make the following comment to his wife. Now he talks to his wife, relaxed. Now that the comet came and went, are you satisfied with no major disaster took place that can be attributed to it? I agree that there has been no major disaster, but there could have been some. वो कह रही है कि मानती हूँ, अब उसको इरिटेट कर रहा है वाइफ को कि देखा आपने कि कोई नुकसान नहीं हुआ, आप ऐसे फालतू में ही आप डर रहे थे. And she says, see her words, I agree, there has been no major disaster, but there could have been, हो सकते थे, है ना. Remember that conditional clause is ना, could have been, हो सकते थे लेकिन हुए नहीं. So do you know how they were averted? Averted means avoided. Indrani Devi said with quiet confidence. Datta looked at her. Did she know? How could she? अब वो doubtful है उसका confidence देख के. He had never mentioned Project Light Brigade to her. He probed cautiously. I don't understand. What do you mean? It is very simple. There was no disaster because of the yajna at our house. So somewhere her faith was also maintained. She believes that due to yajna nothing disastrous happened. कुछ भी गलत नहीं हुआ, कुछ भी नुकसान नहीं हुआ, कुछ भी तबाह नहीं हुआ क्योंकि उसने यजना किया. So but I never performed the yajna. Don't you remember? I refused to have anything to do with it. मैंने तो यजना किया ही नहीं. Of course I do. But we found a way out. At least Guruji did. He said, if you were unwilling to perform the yajna, it would be all right if a descendant of yours did it. Descendant means some younger one from the family. ऐसा होता है ना, अगर बाप नहीं कर सकता है तो बेटा, the son can do. So it was done by the descendant of yours. So we got Khokha. Khokha, you know, the grandson. So we got Khokha to deputize for you, and it has worked. Isn't Guruji clever? Indrani Devi voice had a ring of triumph. Triumph means she was feeling victorious. Datta formed a mental picture of Khokha performing the yajna, uttering mantras dictated to him, which he did not understand. Pouring ghee at specified intervals into the fire, offering flowers, and then the picture changed to an assembly of scientists at the conference analyzing the problem, devising solutions and executing them rationally and efficiently. Means एक तरफ तो यजना चल रहा है जिसमें कि घी, फ्लावर्स और ये चीजें डल रही हैं, और दूसरी तरफ साइंटिस्ट. दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ आवर सोसाइटी इंडिया, है ना. द साइंटिस्ट दे डोंट बिलीव इन ऑल दिस थिंग्स, बट दोज पीपल हु बिलीव दे हैव फुल फेथ इन इट. दोनों तरह का जो सिचुएशंस है वो हमारी सोसाइटी में चलती है. So it seemed hard to believe that both pictures were different aspects of contemporary human society. This is a picture of our recent, our present human society. Datta was aware of the gulf that separates the rich from the poor, the educated from the illiterate, the privileged from the unprivileged. But this gap between the rational and the superstitious seemed to him far wider. कहता गरीबी और अमीरी का हम ये जो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है दूर कर सकते हैं, पढ़े और अनपढ़ का डिस्क्रिप्शन हम बता सकते हैं, लेकिन ये जो रैशनल साइंस एंड रिलीजन, इनको हम कभी भी सेपरेट नहीं कर पाएंगे. इट इज फार फार वाइड. सो फार मोर सिनिस्टर. विल ह्यूमन सोसाइटी एवर सक्सीड इन एलिमिनेटिंग इट? दत्तादा डिड नॉट नो द answer, but he was the scientist. He was really answerless that what to be tell, whether it was the meeting, the secret meeting, or the efforts of the scientists of the whole world which saved the earth, or it was the yajna that organized by Indrani Devi that saved the earth. So he is in confusion. So this is the complete finish. This is the chapter finished here. You will do all the question answers, read all the chapter thoroughly and mark the question answers. Okay beta, thank you.